Genesis here, and coming with you for another knife giveaway. Gonna be giving away this slaughter that I unboxed yesterday. Like I said, I'm going to make up for the other knife giveaway. So instead of doing a cheaper $50 knife, I'm going to be giving away a decent $250 knife. Since it's $250, I figured it would be cool to give it away at 250 subscribers. Basically what you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. You don't have to like, you can dislike, I don't really care. But comment why you want it, and why you think you should deserve it rather than somebody else. And subscribe. And I will announce the winner once we hit 250 subscribers. Thanks for watching.